Brightest of brightness, I saw her on a lonely road at dawn. Sweetest of sweetness, her speaking like a harp note softly drawn. Crystal of crystal, her blue-green eyes held the morning's hidden flame. Rose and lily crossed her cheeks, and neither could win its claim. Curl upon curl fell golden, heavy with the dew of May. Each shining lock swept silver drops from the grass along her way. On her breast a gleaming garment shone too bright for mirror's pride. Born, it seemed, in the upper country for that queenly heart to bind. Secret on secret she told me, lonely as a heart in pain. News of the one who should be returning, born to wear the crown again. News of those who broke and scattered him, hunted him from hall and throne. And more she told in trembling sorrow than my song may ever own. Madness of madness came upon me, that I dared draw near her light. Captive, held by the captive lady, slave to beauty, grief and right. Then I cried to Mary's son to guard my soul from spell and flame. She started back like sudden lightning and fled where Luacra's shadows came. Wildly, wildly, then I followed, heart and storm and breath and fear, over marsh and shining meadow, over stone and heather drear. How I found the ancient dwelling I could never truly say. House of houses, darkly fashioned by old powers far away. There the curled-haired host was laughing, sharp as wind through winter thorn. There were maidens pale and graceful, silken braided, sad, forlorn. In hard bonds they held me captive, gave my soul no rest nor ease, while my bright one smiled beside another, lost to shameful vanities. Then I spoke the truth before her, grief had made my courage plain. Lady, this unworthy binding does not suit your noble name. How can you lean toward a hireling, smooth of tongue and false of heart, while the fairest of the Gaelic bloodline waits for you, though kept apart? When she heard my voice she wept, then proudly wept and would not kneel. Down her cheeks the bright tears travelled, warm as sorrow, clear as steel. Then she sent a young guard with me from that haunted court of pain, and still I see her on the lonely road, brightest brightness once again. My loss, my wound, my breaking sorrow, my ruin deeper than the sea. The gentle light, the tender brightness, soft-mouthed grace is lost to me. Bound beside a dark-horned stranger, cruel-faced and meanly crowned. No healing now until the lions come roaring home across the sound.